Just seeing a wombat out in the daylight. He's just on the other side of that bend there. Hopefully you can see him just going down. I'm just going to see if he's going to go into a burrow or not. He's just there down the bottom of the creek bend. Possibly he's gone into a burrow. I'll have to go around and look. I'm just at the other side of that bend now, and I think there's a burrow hidden just behind this blackberry bush here. I'm going to go down and see if I can see the opening. I heard a rustling as I came down here. Probably heard me. I'll see if I can get any closer, but that might have been the last I see of him today. Just so strange to see them out in the open in the daylight. Normally they like to come out at night time. Well, I think I found where his burrow is. Just here under the blackberry overhanging. The mud would be nice and cool, or the clay. I think he was here because I can see on the ground his paw prints where he jumped as I was following him. So, oh well. Can't get any close-ups of him. That's a shame. Let's see what else we can see. I did see some kangaroos up the gully, so we'll have a look further up there. So blackberries in this country are an invasive weed and pest. But if you can find some ripe ones, man, they taste great. Well, there's no sign of those kangaroos, so I'm going to head back to the jeep and head up further into the bush tracks, see what else we can see this morning. I just spent a bit of time building up this dry creek crossing so that the jeep doesn't bottom out and hit the tow bar when it goes up this hill. So we'll see how effective that is. Well, the answer was not very effective. I think the tow bar is hitting the bank behind me as I go down into the creek with the back end, so it might be worth shallowing that out. As I go up this track, I just noticed a few kangaroos. Hopefully they'll be in front of me there. See him standing? He's just watching. There they go, down the track in front of me. I'll try and catch up with them. This is one of the dams on the property that we come to, and I've never seen it so low, but then haven't really been here in the top of summer. Very green and algae ridden, lots of insects in it, lots of pond skimmers, dragonflies and so on. But I can see a lot of animal activity around from the number of droppings and, well, skeletons really, but that's Australia. So I'm just going to look around a bit and then keep moving up the tracks today. So we need to go up this track all the way to the top of that hill. The video doesn't quite show how steep it is, but let's give it a go. Up we go. Come on, baby. All the way. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Nearly there. Oh, yes. Oh. And you can see, if I look down this way, how high we actually are. We came from down there. Lunch and look around the place. So just sitting here in the peace and quiet, having a bit of a snack, and doing a bit of bird watching with my little binoculars. Seen a couple of eagles already soaring on the breeze, so just beautiful, peaceful way to spend a day. This is about as far as anyone comes on our bushland property. It's pretty remote and very steep and extremely harsh. You can see the hills in the background for a long way from anywhere. And the hill behind me I have to walk up. Back up to the Jeep. Well, I think I'm going to head back. Spent about an hour or so just enjoying the peace and quiet. Thanks for joining me on another Taralga bushland escape. See you in the next video.